Now those are idiots right there. Lights are flashing, train's coming, stop! I mean, really? Oh, there's another one! Stupid is as stupid does. By the way, nice locomotives. I mean, talk about impatience. The lights just started flashing. Why try to catch up a minute when you could put your life at risk when there's a train approaching? You can't judge a train's speed. I mean, all you have to do when the lights start flashing on the crossing is to simply stop and wait. By the way, this is a pretty good consist here. This is the coal train. It's an empty heading to Buckingham Coal and Corning. In the morning, it usually goes back up towards Conesville with some loaded coal from Buckingham. It's also got trackage rides to go on to one railroad's called Kanawha River Railroad on the West Virginia Secondary. Wish they just put in gates for this crossing. That would help the driver stop and learn to wait instead of trying to waste their life by trying to gain 1 minute. Eric Diebold, out.